Hello, today I'm going to show you how to register a pet that's not been registered on a DEFRA compliant database before. So if you go to microchipcentral.com and then if you click register at the top here, you can check if your microchip number has been registered anywhere else by simply typing it in the box and clicking search, and it will tell you if you are on a different DEFRA compliant database. This particular chip number hasn't been registered, and so what I'm going to do is create an account because I don't already have one. So select whether you're a pet owner, whether you're a breeder, etc. and pop your name in here. Enter a mobile number. If you don't have a mobile number, you can put a landline in there, and then pop your email address in. Now we do need an email address because we need to be able to send you your account activation link, and also just confirm that obviously you are the correct person that is creating the account and you're not creating it for somebody else. So set a password and then just enter where you live. Now you'll be able to see there's a big drop down here and you can just select from the drop down. Now these are some extra account options. So if you lose your pet, this option allows people to search the microchip number on the home page, and all they will see is critical details about your pet and just contact details for yourself. So just a contact number and an email address. They will never see your actual address. So we always recommend this unless there's some history with the pet, in which case you might not want a previous keeper to be able to search the microchip number and see your contact details. This is about hearing about updates and offers that might be available to you and whether you'd like to join our Pet Watch community. And we'll talk about this in another video, but you must agree to the terms and conditions to create the account. So once you've done that, click register and it's going to ask you to activate your account. Now, as I mentioned, this is just to confirm that the email address that you used is actually yours and you haven't used somebody else's. So if you go into your emails here and refresh them, they might end up in a different folder. So this particular email server sometimes puts them in other. You may also notice that they end up in your junk and spam, so do check there as well. Now this is the activation link, so we just need to click that and we will see that the account has been activated. So we can now go ahead and add the pet. Now in order to add a pet that's not already registered on a DEFRA compliant database and where Microchip Central haven't supplied the chip, you will need to upgrade your account. Now this does give you 12 months premium protection and the premium features are outlined here. We will also cover this in another video, but you can also select the lifetime premium option at this point. If you don't select lifetime, then you will be emailed in 12 months and given the option to renew the premium features on the account for £10 a year, or again at that point you can pay for the lifetime premium protection. So let's go ahead and click lifetime. Enter the card details. And submit payment. Great, so now we've upgraded our account. You can see here we've got the lifetime cover. We're now able to add the pet to the database. So over on the left here, if you click add a pet and pop the microchip number in there, select the pet type from the drop down and then the date of birth and click continue. Enter the details about the pet. Appearance, whether it's been neutered. Obviously it's stored the microchip number and the date of birth there, but we do need to add the implant date. Any other medical, behavioural or other details, so whether the dog's deaf or blind, etc. If you've got an official pet name for the breeder or a kennel club name, you can pop that in there. If you've got an insurance company that you're already using, then you can pop it in here as well. And then your local vets. This dog track ID tag, you can add a tag at this point, but I'll also show you in a separate video how to purchase and activate a tag. So we'll go ahead and add the pet. And we can see Sunny's profile has now appeared here. We can upload a photo. This is great for being able to report your pet missing to the Pet Watch community, which was what we just joined during the account creation. If your pet goes missing, then you can send alerts out to everyone within a 5-mile radius that is part of that Pet Watch community, but you do need a photo uploaded in order to do this. We'll go ahead and add a picture here. Lovely. And click save. Wonderful. And then your pet has been added to the database. As I mentioned, because I consented for my contact details to be displayed, if I sign out and then do a search on the home page, you will see what a finder will be able to see. So they'll see your contact number, your email address, and just the critical details about your pet. Thank you for listening.